Kia ora, I'm Jamie from the Mountain Safety Council. Today we're going to look at Cornice Fall and travel recommendations for when this problem exists. Cornice Fall is the release of an overhanging mass of snow formed by wind deposits. Cornices can grow over time on the leeward side of wind-exposed ridges and summits. They can break off the terrain suddenly and can be triggered from a distance. Overhung cornices can pull back further than expected and catch people by surprise. Give cornices a wide berth when travelling on or under ridges. Cornice Fall can act as a large trigger for other avalanche types. Ice cliff avalanches are not forecast in the New Zealand Avalanche Advisory. Ice cliffs are unpredictable and the best strategy is to avoid overhead hazard. Check avalanche.net.nz for your region's local forecast.